your belts.
No.
It's for your own safety.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, let's go.
Oh no, my toe!
That's why you have to fasten your belt.
You're right, Auntie. Ready!
Very good.
Awesome! Hello!
Oh, do you want to run?
3 skates, please.
Sure.
Cool, thank you. Thanks.
Oh, don't forget the protection. Safety first.
Okay, let's go.
Wait, we have to put on the helmet.
Right.
I like it.
I did it!
So cool.
Wow, good job.
Thank you! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
We need to fasten our belts. But you could fall. Huh? What is the sound?
Uh-oh!
This is what can happen.
Okay!
You always have to buckle up. That's better.
I'm hungry!
Okay.
It's not right!
But this is faster. Safety first. Oh, sorry. Kids, it's time to go home.
Cool!
Ready?
You have to fasten your belts!
Oops, you're right. Very good. Okay, let's go.
Varia, don't fail! Oops! You have to fasten your seatbelts. You're right.
Okay.
Ready? Let's go!
Kids, mess is dangerous. Please clean up.
Oh! Okay, Auntie.
Time to play video games. Thank you, kids. You learned to fasten your seat belts.
Well done!
Slava, it's time to go to school.
Oh, okay.
Come on, quickly.
Guys, I'll drive the car. Come on. Yes!
What is it? Slava, what are you doing? The car is not a toy for children.
Oh, sorry. I'm just playing.
Slava, kids can't drive. It's dangerous.
Sorry, Auntie.
That's right. Good girl. Slava, you need to buckle up.
I don't want. I wanna drive like an adult.
Huh? You have to sit in the car seat and fasten your seat belt. It's for your safety.
Okay, Auntie.
Great! Let's go to school.
How tasty!
Slava, are you okay?
Yes, everything is fine.
We are almost at school. We made it to school.
No way!
It's very bad, Slava. You can't throw garbage on the floor.
Oh, sorry, Auntie.
We made it.
Thank you, Auntie. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye and good luck.
Woohoo!
Have a seat, Slava.
Hi, Arina. Hi.
Today we will learn colors.
Okay. Oh, easy and Iris play. Slava! Do you play with your toys? This is fun. Do you want to play with me? No, I'm studying.
Yellow.
Arina, play with me. No, Slava, you can't play in class.
What? What's going on?
Slava plays in class.
No, Slava. No toys in school. You need to be focused.
Oh, sorry, teacher.
Okay, I wrote down the colors.
Yeah!
Let's check. What color is it?
I know. It's orange.
Right. What color is that, Slava?
Green.
Yeah, right. Remember, kids, you have to stay focused in class.
Yeah, I'm not playing class anymore.
Time to go home.
Come on, let's go. Auntie's late. Teacher, can I go home alone?
Oh, no, Slava, you have to wait your auntie.
Yeah, I'm waiting for my parents too.
I'm sorry, I'm late.
Don't worry, I'm always waiting for you.
Thank you, now we can go.
Never go home alone. Bye. Follow the rules.
What?
Huh? Stop! Whoa! You can't exceed the speed. Huh? Let's forget about it. This is for you. Huh? You can't break cops. I'll confiscate your taxi. Oopsie. Oh, idea! Hey, my police bike! Huh? The three thieves escaped? I'm gonna get them.
Come on!
Huh?
Police!
Oh, it's just a taxi. Wow, that's a lot of candy.
Yummy!
Awesome.
Get your hands in the air! The police are here.
Oopsie.
Yes!
The honey trap.
Hey, I'm stuck here.
Yummy.
Wow, a donut!
Wow!
Oh no! I'll be back. Bye bye. Stay right here!
Oh no! What?
You can't steal and trash the road. Uh-oh.
What?
Clean this up. Okay.
Well. Okay.
There is 1, 2 more to go. Woo! Red is my favorite color. Hey, it's the other thief. Taxi, taxi. Taxi! Do not disturb the drives on the road. Whatever.
Yay! I stopped a lot of vehicles. Yeah!
What? Stolen cars 2. Tractor 1. Truck 1. And rocket?
Yes! Yes! It's my rocket!
Wait! You're a thief and you're under arrest.
Oh no!
Come on!
The toy store robbery? I'm coming!
Wow! So many toys!
What to do? Thief, are you here?
Oh, oopsie!
under arrest.
Oh no!
Come on!
Wait!
Nice!
All the thieves help me catch. My police motorcycle! Whoa, My taxi!
Hey! Well,
Forgive me, please. I won't steal and break the rules anymore. All right, last chance. Hey, wait for me! Hello. Hey, kids. I'm first. I'm faster. Too slow. Kids, time to go home. No. Okay. I really want to drive a car at home or on the train. It's going to be a train. I'll help you. Oopsie. I'll do it myself. Let's go. Wow, I'll ride it. Let's go. No. Sorry. What have you done? Andy! What happened? He broke my tray.
I have an idea!
Awesome.
Wow! This is for you, Arina.
Yes! Hey, and for me.
One moment. It's for you, boy.
what? What?
One second.
Ooh.
Be careful!
It's your fault. No, it's your fault.
Ride it gently.
Hey! Oh! Oopsie! There is not enough place to play. Let's go to the kitchen.
Hey, what are you doing?
Hey!
Stop!
What? If the barrier is down, there is no passage.
Okay, okay.
Wow!
Yummy!
Kids, it's time for dessert.
Huh?
Bingo! All right.
So tasty. Come on, let's go play. Huh?
Huh?
It's not working.
That can be.
Oh, we need to call the master. Right.
Oops.
Help us now, please. What happened? It doesn't work. Okay.
What is it?
I don't know. Oh no.
Oh, so sad.
No way. That's the problem.
Cool, buddy.
Thank you.
Bye-bye!
Let's go. Yeah.
Oh my!
Are you okay?
Hey!
Oops.
Oops!
We are hungry. We want to eat. We want to eat. Where is the food?
Well, I didn't have time to cook because of you.
Uh-oh.
No more transport in the house. No! You are grounded.
I want my train. And I want my car. Ew, broccoli. Ew, that's gross.
Phew.
Hey! Who eats broccoli gets a train.
I win.
Hey.
Great job!
Hey, you. This is my toy. But I ate broccoli too.
Oh, 1 second. This is for you.
Cool.
Wow.
I want to play too. Let me help you.
Okay.
Ready! Thank you. Wow, the train rides. Let's play together. nothing to play. Auntie, give us back our train and the car, please.
Okay, you help me with the chores and I'll let the transport in the house.
Okay. Whew, ready.
Everything is clean.
Whoa.
It's yours.
Yeah!
Stop! Drive carefully or I'll take it again.
Sure.